Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you're new to my channel, I am an independent Stampin' demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Today's quick and easy day, so we are going to make something for St. Patrick's Day. How many of you celebrate St. Patrick's Day? Leave it in the comments. I'm really curious because my husband's Irish, so we always decorate and we always pretty much celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I'm just curious about that. My mother-in-law, she used to dress from head to toe in green and had pins on her. She was very proud to be Irish. So, yeah, I'm just curious how many of you really celebrate St. Patrick's Day. So anyway, I thought this would be really cute for classroom, just for a friend, a family member, anything like that. It is holding 2 chocolate bars, and these 2 chocolate bars are actually from the Dollar Tree, and they are actually Easter. I just covered them with the designer series paper. And they are these right here, but you can get these. I got them for Valentine's Day too. I actually did a Valentine's project with the ones for Valentine's, but they're approximately the same size, so you can use those. But yeah, just cover them, and they're really cute and really easy to just cover. And I'll give you the measurements of that too. We're not going to do that this time. I found that you can even put a extra in here. One of the extra gum packs. I thought that was cute. And then also I have the Merci chocolates, and you can fit 4 of those Merci chocolates, these right here. You can fit 4 of them in here. I'll show you how they fit. You don't even have to decorate these because they're really pretty chocolates, I think. And you could just leave them like that. I thought that was really cute. So 4 of those fit in there as well. But anything that's flat, you could probably fit like one of those mini M&M's packets or Skittles in here. Yeah, there's a lot of things that you can put in it. But we are doing these little ones right here. And you don't even have to put a hole in the top, but I liked it and added the little bit of ribbon here. And so this is what we're making today. So first, let's go ahead and I'll tell you what I'm using for this. So I'm using the Happy and Heartfelt Stamp set. This is the Lucky Me, it says right here. I love this one. I've talked about it several times. I've used it several times. And I just love the writing on this. And they're so cute. And I thought the sentiment was perfect. And then I am also using the Sweet Heart Dies. And I'm only using this for the hearts. And the heart that I'm using is like a 1-inch heart. I don't know if I put it back in here. There's a bunch of hearts in here though, but you can use any of them that you like. I know it's here on my desk somewhere, but I just don't spot it at the moment. But anyway, it's a 1-inch pretty much heart. It's this one right here. I already cut them out. And yeah, it's 1 inch. So if you have a punch, that's 1 inch. If you have another die, that's 1 inch. You can use that. This goes with our Sweet Conversations as a bundle. And then I'm using just some of our crinkled seam binding ribbon for that. And I'll tell you the measurements that we're going to use here. So I am using this piece right here, and this is going to be 5 1/4 by 4 1/2. We're going to mat it, and we're matting it with our Regals 6x6 color collection. So they come in all our color collections. This is the Regals, and I'm using the shaded spruce. And I just love the plaid. And then I like this side because it kind of looked like 4-leaf clovers to me. I don't know. I just thought it looked like a 4-leaf clovers. So this piece right here to mat it is 3 1/4 by 3. This one's 1 3/8 by 3 3/8. And then a piece for the sentiment is the basic white, and it's 3 3/4 by 3/4. And did I tell you this is 5 1/4 by 4 1/2? I got lost there. Train of thought. So that is what we're using for this. Let's go ahead first. Let's put the clover together. You can make it a 4-leaf clover if you want. I just did it as a 3. And then we are going to just put some glue on the ends here. I'm going to glue these two together. And then this one is going to go on top. But I want to give this a little bit of time to dry, because we're going to add a little bit of detail to that. And then I'm just going to take a scrap piece, and I just created my own little stem for it. Just like that. And then we're going to put this on there. Like that. So we're going to set this aside for a minute and let this all adhere and glue, and then I'll show you what we're going to do, how we're going to do that. All right, let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment too. We'll have that ready. I'm using shaded spruce too for the sentiment. I'm making all monochromatic. And we're just going to do the lucky me right here. I'm going to banner the end here. And I think I'm going to take a tiny bit off of here. It doesn't look exactly, I may have cut it a little lopsided. And I'll just fix that. There we go. All right, so that's all ready. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we are going to score. We are going to score this piece right here. The 5 1/4 inch side is going to be scored at 1 1/2 and 2. Then you're going to turn it on the 4 1/2 inch side and score it at 1/2 and 4. Well, you know I can't score this. I'm doing it at an angle, and I think that's why I do this without messing it up. But it's all right. It's going to be covered by designer series paper. So what we're going to do is cut into the sides here. Really easy. And we have a little bit more cutting, but we're going to put this part together first. I'm going to sharpen these. And we are going to put adhesive on this side. I'm going to go ahead and use my wet glue. And on this side. And you're just going to pull these up like that. Just be a little bit patient because it is wet glue we're using. You can use your Stampin' Seal Plus with this as well. I know the Stampin' Seal Plus works instantly, so if you don't have the patience, then what we're going to do is I'm just going to cut straight across there, and then we're going to cut down on this. And then I'm going to do the same here. You're just going to cut straight down and then cut this piece off. And then we're going to go ahead and mat it. And this is going to mat here. And first of all, what I want to do is round my corners. I like this one rounded, so I'm going to just round the corners here. And then I'm going to round it on here. Make sure you have it the right way and your corners. The right corners are rounded. All right, we're going to add some adhesive to this. You know I have the rubber band on here, but half the time I don't ever use it. And then we're going to line that up. And then we're going to put this piece on here. It's really easy, y'all. Really quick too, and it would make a really cute one for a classroom, one that you can do pretty quickly. All right, I'm going to use my 1/2 inch circle punch, which we don't carry this anymore, but they're all over the place. I've seen them everywhere. And then what we're going to set that aside, and this is what I'm going to use. I'm using my Jelly Roll pen here, and I am just going to add some little like slashes around just to give it a little bit of like stitch detail. And I'm going to do that on all 3 of these. Okay, so there you have it. It's all ready. I even did the stem. And then I am going to use a dimensional. We're going to put that on the back of this. We do need to put on first our sentiment. So I'm going to grab the sentiment. And put that on here. Then we're going to put this on top here. And then I'm going to add my bow. And you can color this bow. You can use your, I don't know if you know that you can use your ink and a dauber to color this. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to color it because I don't know if y'all know anything you can color it with your ink. And I'm going to show you another way to color it. And it's a more solid way if you want to do it this way. So I don't have any of the shaded spruce, so I'm going to just show you really quick here that you can color it with your blends. And it goes all the way to the other side. This is the easiest way to do it. But if you want to use your shaded spruce, you can just use your ink for that. Oh, I do have shaded spruce. All right, we're going to do this. I showed you how to use this. Now let's go ahead and color it with, always put something down if you don't want to mess. I didn't think I had shaded spruce, but I do. So we're going to color this. I'm not going to color the whole thing. I'm just going to color like the ends of it. I'm going to make it so it's long enough for a bow, and I'm just going to color like the ends, or however you want it. We'll see what it looks like. I don't know, just a little trick to share with you. And it dries super fast, y'all, with using the blends. I think it's cute, just adding a little bit of the green to it, just like that. Any way you want to do it. And then for this one, I'll just stick in the extra gum. So that's it, everyone. I like it. I like these because I like that this matches it perfectly. You can even cover this, though. Anything you want to cover, you can cover, even with your designer series paper. All right, everyone, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Super quick and easy, and a fun one to give on St. Patrick's Day. Hope you all have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, this is my February hostess code. Celebration ends at the end of February, so if you were wanting a free product with $50 purchase, you need to get on it. All right, everyone. I'm also giving a free gift with purchase of $50 using this hostess code. All right, everyone, have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.